Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. What's up, guys? Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I'm going to share with you a money-making opportunity that can make you money without even trying. Alright, now what I'm talking about is a new company, fairly new. It's called the $1 Million Matrix. Maybe you heard about it, maybe you haven't. If you haven't heard about it, you're about to hear about it. Alright, so make a long story short, basically what the $1 Million Matrix is an advertising platform. It's for pretty much anyone who is trying to advertise online. Mainly, in my opinion, it's anybody who's doing any sort of affiliate marketing. You got any sort of home business, you're doing any sort of network marketing. What's up, funny? It's the dog. He won't jump on video. But anyway, so if you're one of these people, you definitely want to look into the $1 Million Matrix. Why? Because it's pretty much like a network marketing type opportunity, right? And you know, if you watched any of my videos before, I'm like, I ain't huge on network marketing. Now, one thing I always said was network marketing companies and opportunities can be cool if you don't have to recruit people to make money, right? That was my thing. If you can make make some income from that company without having to just recruit a whole bunch of people, then I'm like, you know what, give it a shot, right? With this opportunity, what makes it different is the fact that you can join the $1 Million Matrix and just use the advertising platform and to grow your online business or whatever you're trying to do, and you don't have to recruit people to actually earn money, right? You don't have to. You could just jump in the Matrix, right, and be a member, and you can actually earn money from other people without you having to do anything. Just be a member of the Matrix. Now, the cost of it's $25, right? You might be thinking, that ain't too bad, but it's $25 for every 60 days. So pretty much it's what, $12.50, right? Nah, yeah, $12.50 a month. Pretty much $12.50 to give you access to advertising for your business, right? And it gives you the opportunity to earn commissions and money. And if you want to build a team, you can build a team. And to be completely honest with you, yes, you can make money just by joining the company and just using it without any recruiting. But obviously, keeping it real, you'll earn a lot more money if you do decide to recruit people. But the cool thing about it is, in my opinion, it's an easy sale, because it's just like, yo, put it in front of anybody who's marketing, who's trying to advertise online, and let it be. You know what I'm saying? Put it on them to be like, listen, I'm giving you an opportunity to advertise your business and earn some residual income, right? And that's what everybody wants. Everybody's looking for that passive income, recurring income, and this platform gives you the opportunity to do it. Now, like I said, it's fairly new. It was another company, but they just transitioned over to this $1 Million Matrix. It's still very, very new, and you can get started with it right now. All right, I got introduced to this opportunity from the same woman who introduced me to the $50 side hustle, right? That I already showed you that makes money and already made me money. So she's involved with it. She's my sponsor. So if you want to jump on the team, you can do so by clicking the link. You'll be on our team and you'll get information, and I'll help you out any way I can if you decide that you want to grow your team and recruit, all that stuff. But keep in mind, you don't have to. You can make money without even trying, right? And whatever your primary business is, you want to promote it. Use the platform for what it's worth. Get your business, whatever you're trying to promote, and advertise it, guys. And use this platform for what it's designed to do. and why not make some easy money with it? All right. So if you're interested in it, you already know the deal. Click the link below, join the $1 Million Matrix team, and start making that money. Be sure to subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, share, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.